Chad Crenshaw with Love That Door, here to answer all your frequently asked questions. Are your windows, particularly your sliding windows, energy efficient? A lot of people will tell you that vinyl windows is the very best energy efficiency window there is. Well, that's true if we're talking about the frame, but that's only 5% of the total window. Let's talk about the glass. The glass matters the most because that's 95% of the window in itself. So when you're looking at a glass package, you want to make sure it's double paned or triple paned. You also want to make sure it's low E square too. That means there's 2 pieces of low E film on the inside that faces outwards. You also want to make sure you have argon gas or krypton gas inside of the unit. The last thing you want to check for is how big is the space between the 2 pieces of glass. NASA proved that captivated air is the best insulator you can have. Most people have a 1/2 inch glass package to a 3/4 inch glass package overall. We have 1 1/4 inch starting off, and we go up to 2 inches if you choose triple pane glass. If you would like to learn more, visit lovethatdoor.com.